Gemini Google Assistant. In today's video, I'm going to guide you how to turn off Gemini Google Assistant from power button. The process is quick and simple. Just follow the steps till the end and don't miss any important step. First, unlock your phone and go to the settings menu. In the menu, you will see the option additional settings. Just scroll down and you will find it. Tap on it, then find power button option. If you found, tap on power button or press and hold power button. Select power menu instead of voice assistant or Gemini. Now you are all done. For Xiaomi phones, go to additional settings and here find the option gesture shortcuts. Once you tap on it, you will see another option launch digital assistant and toggle it off. If you can't find it, search power button assistant in the settings search bar and turn off Google Assistant there. And this is how you will be able to turn off Gemini Google Assistant from power button.